Good morning everyone. Now all of you take out your course book volume 2 page number 9. What is the chapter? The chapter name is money. What is the chapter? Money. In our today's topic, round off to the nearest rupee. Round off to the nearest rupee. What is meant by round off to the nearest rupee? We already know that in the previous classes we learned how to round to the nearest tens, nearest 100, nearest 1000. 1 rupee means how many pies? 1 rupee means 100 pies. How many rupees? 1 rupee means 100 pies. Like that. All of you see the next one. 1 rupee means 100 pies. So we have to add to the nearest rupee. Nearest rupee. Like if it is below 50, it is below 50 pies means we no need to change that one. If for example 35 rupees 20 pies, 35 rupees 20 pies, the nearest rupee will be 35 rupees only. What is that? 35 rupees only. If it is above 50 pies, example 75 rupees 75 pies, it is more than 50 pies. 75 pies is more than 50 pies. We round it off as a 1 rupee. So the nearest rupee is 78 rupees. Nearest rupee is 78 rupees here. Here it is only 35 rupees. Why? Because 20 pies is smaller than 50 pies. 50 pies kanna 20 pies anedi takkuva. So we have to round it off as 35. For example, it is above 50 pies. It is above 50 pies. So we have to round it off as 76 rupees. We have to round it off as 76 rupees. Another example. Rupees 29 30 pies. Nearest rupee will be 29 rupees. 29 rupees. Next example. 50 rupees 85 pies. 50 rupees 85 pies. Nearest rupee will be 51 rupees. Nearest rupee will be 51 rupees. Now all of you take out your course book page number 9. Course book page number 9. Now see the next one. Vinod bought a soap for 58 rupees 40 pies and a toothbrush for 48 rupees 70 pies. Toothpaste for 35 rupees and a toothpaste for 35 rupees 50 pies. And a shampoo bottle for 76 rupees 30 pies. He prepared the estimation to the nearest 1 rupee. Check and see if he has done correctly. Items what he bought: soap, the cost of 58 rupees 40 pies. 58 rupees 40 pies. Next one, toothbrush. With the cost of 48 rupees 70 pies. 48 rupees 70 pies. Toothpaste with the cost of rupees 35 50 pies. Next one, shampoo bottle. With the cost of 76 rupees 30 pies. 76 rupees 30 pies. When we went to a shop, we have an estimation that we have to buy within a limit of 1000 rupees, 1500 rupees, or below 1000 rupees. Like that, he bought some needs what they want. What he want is soap, toothbrush, shampoo he bought. So he has to count off and round it to the nearest rupees. Nearest rupee. 40 pice. It is below 50 pice. It is below than 50 pice. So we counted as 58 rupees. He counted it as 58 rupees. Here see 48 rupees 70 pice. 48 rupees 70 pice. So 50 pice kanna 70 pice anedi above undi. So we counted it as above 1 rupee. So it is a 49 rupees. How much it cost? 49 rupees. Toothpaste 35 rupees 50 pice. 35 rupees 50 pice. Again 1 rupee add. So it is becomes 36 rupees. It becomes 36 rupees. Shampoo bottle 76 rupees 30 pice. 76 rupees 30 pice. 50 pice అనేది 30 pice కన్నా below ఉంది. So we counted it as 76 rupees. 76 rupees. This is the nearest rupees or estimation bills. Estimation bill. See the next one, all of you. Now all of you turn page number 9 to page number 10. Course book page number 10. Bills. When we buy something, the shopkeeper gives us bill. A bill tells us the total amount that has to be paid to the shopkeeper for our purchases. Anusha went to a store. When we went to a store, they give us a bill to pay the amount what we bought and what is the balance we have to pay to them. So it is a bill. It is called as a bill. Anusha went to a store and bought some items. Shopkeeper has given her the following bill. She bought, how many chocolates she bought? 4 chocolates. One unit cost is 15 rupees. Unit cost means 1 unit. Unit cost means per one item it is 15 rupees. She bought how many chocolates? 4 chocolates. So each chocolate is 15 rupees. So 15 fours are. Cost is 60 rupees. How many rupees? 60 rupees. Next one. Cool drink. Two bottles. I am writing B here. Each bottle cost is 28 rupees. Each bottle cost is 28 rupees. So how many rupees it will be? 28 into 2. So it is 56 rupees. How many rupees? 56 rupees. Bread packet. 2 packets. Each packet is 42 rupees. 34 rupees. 34 pice. So the total is 84 rupees. 68 pice. 84 rupees. 68 pice. Potato chips. She got 3 packets. Each packet is 22 rupees. Each packet is 22 rupees. So the cost is 66 rupees. And the total amount she has to pay is 84, 68, 36. It is about butter, no? It is about butter. And next one it is bread. I am writing here. Bread, she bought 1 packet and its cost is 36 rupees 82 pice. 36 rupees 82 pice. So the total she has to pay is 303 rupees 50 pice. 303 rupees this is in the form of bills. Bills will be in this form. When you went to DMart or Reliance or a Metro, this type of form will be seen in the counters. Now, all of you take out your maths workbook, page number 4. Maths workbook, page number 4. Workbook, page number 4. Now see all of you, what is the first one they gave? It's a 2000 rupees and 500 rupees are 2. So here 2000 rupees plus 1000 plus 350 rupees. How much? 350 rupees. So 2000 plus 1000 is 3000 and 3000 plus 3350 rupees. So what we have to write? 3350 rupees. 3350 rupees. Next one. 2000 plus 100 plus 1500 is, and again 1 plus 1 10 rupee coin is there, and again 1 10 rupee coin is there. So the bill, how many rupees are there now? 2000 plus 100 is 2100. 2100 plus 1500. So it is 3600. 3600 plus 10 rupees. 3610 rupees. How many rupees? 3610 rupees. See the next one. 1500 plus 100 plus 6000 and again plus 20. Plus 20. See, 1500 plus 100. So it is 1600. 1600 plus 6000. 7600 plus 20 rupees. 7620 rupees. How much? 7620 rupees. Last one. 400 rupees plus 1000 rupees plus 1 again 2000 rupees note plus 3 10 rupees coins, that means 30 rupees. See, 400 plus 1000, it is 1400. 1400 plus 2000, it is 3400. 3400 plus 30 rupees. 3430 rupees. How much? 3430 rupees. Now all of you turn the page. All of you turn the page. Page number 5. Workbook, page number 5. Convert the following. We have to convert the numbers. 4 rupees 50 pice. 50 into pice. Rupees. 4 rupees 50 pice into pice. We have to change into pices. Pices. 50 1 rupee means how many pice? 1 rupee means 100 pice. 1 rupee means 100 pice. So 4 rupees means 400 pice. 400 pice plus how many 50? Here already 50 pice is remaining. So 450 pice. 450 pice. Rupees 450 pice. Into pice we have to change it. We have to convert that number. Convert that rupees into pice. So here 1 rupee is equal to 100 pice. So 4 rupees means 400 pice plus 50 pice. So it is 450 pice. 450 pice. See the next one. 70 rupees 80 pice. 70 rupees 80 pice. 1 rupee means 100 pice. So 70 rupees means 7000 pice. Why? Because 70 into 100 we have to multiply. So it is 7000 pice and again 80 pice. So 7080 pice. 7080 pice. Remaining all 4 sums are there now. You have to do them as a homework. We can continue in the next class. And activity book, page number 5. Round to the nearest 10 is a homework for you. We can continue in the next class.